This was our first attempt at making the concrete bird bath, but unfortunately we beansed it, so we had to try again. Here's our second try.
This time we made the concrete a little bit thicker. Hopefully it won't crack.
We decided to coat the bottom with Flex Seal to prevent any leaks.
Looks like it came out great. No cracks this time.
Just a little finishing touches and it's almost ready to paint.
We decided to layer the paint with brown, greens, and yellows, and I think it turned out beautiful.
And here's the finished project. Shout out to Helen Wyatt for giving us the inspiration on YouTube. We think it's beautiful.